Repeat that?
and I'm gonna ask questions regarding it.
Okay.
Okay, so
I'm saying,
there will be some additional questions to what I've sent you.
can you message Stacy in the emails, because I tried calling her in city, but she's not in, to let her know that you're available for training.
Oh yeah,
I'm sorry,
I've
I
already
couldn't
messaged her.
Couldn't hear that.
10 for also just make sure you make a report so you can get paid for it as well.
Oh, how you doing, Sky? Nice to meet you.
That's in the FTO chat.
Correct.
Nice, 10-4.
I'm trying my best to get everything fixed within the FTO thing.
No worries. This is actually going to be my first FTO trainee, so it's going to be interesting from my end.
Okay, I see you. Okay. Ugh. I hate my life.
Alright, once we have everyone back, we can proceed.
Yes, sir. Do you need any food or anything, Judge?
I'm just going to go off duty
No,
while I
I
wait.
got some
thank you, Bailey.
So much
multivitamins. No worries.
noise from the phones.
Austin, I just got last two witnesses. I don't know if you're one of your officers first now, or I just got last two.
Alrighty, counselors, where are we?
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
Are we... I'm next.
You may proceed.
Yeah, just go sit down for now.
Wait, did you guys are switching, or
Can
we
you
gotta
guys
finish up with plaintiffs?
lower really quick, please? Can you guys go on whisper, please?
The plaintiff has
Excuse me.
two more.
Yep, two. Your Honor, I
Absolutely.
got two last witnesses.
Alright, counselor, you can proceed with your next witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The plaintiff calls Dr. Brody Woods, medical expert therapist, to testify.
Oh shit, my bad.
You're good. Mr. Woods, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay, you may proceed.
Dr. Woods, could you please confirm your qualifications and expertise in the area of medical care for trauma victims?
Yes, I can. I am a therapist and doctor. I am a second-hand therapist. And I have been trained to help people that have struggled with mental health issues, PTSD, anxiety, etc. So, yes.
Okay. And based on your examination of Jay Smith, could you describe the severity of the injuries he sustained from the motorcycle crash and the subsequent arrest?
Yes, I can. He was diagnosed with very bad head pain, nosebleeds, throwing up, constipation, loss of hair, and memory loss.
Okay. And could Jay's injuries have been treated earlier? I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce that word. Ariel. I'm sorry. Had medical care been provided in a timely manner? Could J injuries have been treated earlier if medical care had been provided in a timely manner? That's what I meant to say, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Yes. I believe if he was given the treatment he was supposed to be given when he first arrived into the cells, I believe he wouldn't have as many, migraines that he's been having. Also, nosebleeds as well. He's never had them before, but after the incident, he started having those, which can go to leading to the brain.
Okay. And how does lack of immediate care impact someone who has experienced trauma such as Jay did?
Well, it can lead to going down a very dark path. Sometimes they won't reach out, and sometimes, they will take their own life. That's how severe that could have got. He has told me that at the time, he did not feel like himself, everything was going downhill, and that he did almost end his life. And that is my point. We need to make sure that everybody is getting the attention that they need, so that doesn't happen.
I understand. And your evidence for all those statements and professional opinions. Did you do any tests? Because I know you're speaking from your doctors and therapists perspective, because there were appointments made. Uh, what evidence do you got to justify your statements?
So for the migraines, every time I was trying to talk to him, he was getting a little lost. Sometimes he would zone out. Another thing is he would have me repeat the question multiple times, which is fine, but we did make sure that he could perfectly hear me. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, don't worry. And in your professional opinion, could Jay's condition have worsened due to the delay in receiving the treatment?
Yes.
Okay, and how severe could it get?
Like I said, it could get to the point to where he would want to end his own life, so death.
Understand. And was Jay at risk of further injury or even death due to the lack of medical care, but not looking from the emotional perspective now, but physical injuries?
Yes, because he was talking about how his head hurt a lot during the therapy session, meaning there has to be something going on with his brain. I wasn't able to do any tests because I had other patients to get to, so I had to, do his doctor's appointment and therapy appointment at the same time. So yeah.
And do you believe that Jay's medical needs were deliberately ignored by the officers of the day on the day of the arrest?
Now what I'm going to say is, I have not seen what happened within the jail cells or interrogation room, so I cannot really give you a true answer on that. But from what I've heard,
Understand.
no.
Okay. And what would be the typical standard of care for someone who has experienced injuries like Jay did?
We would want to get him into the hospital as soon as possible, try and do some tests if possible as well, stop the bleeding, because they did say that he was bleeding from the knees below, that there was a decent amount, and go from there and see how he was doing mentally at that point.
It's great that you mentioned the bleeding. Your Honor, if you don't mind, I'm gonna put a picture on the TV. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, let me get the. Oh, we got the RTV. Perfect. Dr. Woods. Based on the picture you see, what do you think about the whole situation? Based on what you got from my client at the therapy session, doctor appointment, and the blood you see on the walls on the left and right side of the bricks.
Yeah,
And yep.
it shows that yes, he was bleeding, and why? That's unknown. What I'm seeing in this picture is, I believe, an officer holding a gun, not a taser, a weapon, a firearm, a gun. And the blood on the walls, I don't know what if that could have been caused by, since he did fall off the bike. Maybe he hit the wall. Like I said, I was not there.
I understand. I'm gonna play one more picture real quick. Okay.
I just need to go a little closer.
Don't worry. Don't worry. So, this picture shows Captain Dre Bennett pointing a taser at my client, the planted, jumping off. While in the body cam, it shows he was limping after he was tackled, I believe, and then jumped and fell because his leg was either broken or something. I'm not sure. Did he have a bruised bone?
He did.
I understand. Thank you. And based on what you got here, is the bruised bone caused by the bike accident, or did he get any other injuries due to the I'm sorry.
You're good.
Due to him jumping off and being tased while in mid-air by the officer?
I will say both.
Okay. Let me check if I have any other picture. Okay. That's enough with the pictures. Let me continue with the question. And did you examine Jay's mental health as part of your assessment?
Yes.
If so, can you speak to the effects of PTSD in relation to his reaction during the arrest?
Yes, give me one moment. Alrighty. So what I have documented, I said, this whole issue has caused his PTSD to get 10 times worse. Now this isn't a medical measure, that is just what he told me. It has also triggered panic attacks. The reasons are due to not being able to manage his store, which he could lose, his kids suffering, education, not being able to get his kids to school. The panic attacks have also worsened his physical, as he hasn't been taking care of himself physically that well. He's been very depressed due to everything that's going on in his life right now, and like I said before, he wanted to end it all. He could no longer watch his favorite show, Traffic Cops, on Channel 4, he wanted me to specify that, due to the flashing blue lights, which causes him a seizure episode every time he tries to watch it.
Understand. And do you believe that his mental problems and PTSD could cause him to commit crime?
It's very, it's a yes and no question, because I've watched in his state for a little bit now, and I do not think it would make him cause crime, as he did say that he wanted to end his life. So why would he commit crime if he wanted to end his life?
Yes. And Jay has mentioned that he's scared of the sirens and the police lights.
Correct.
Does he get a panic attack when he sees a police officer or the cruiser and those lights?
Yes, he did tell me that every time he sees that, he does get a flashback to what happened. And it, triggers his PTSD. As he stated, his mom died from a taser, being tased in, I think, Vietnam. And since that's the trauma that is being reattained right now into his emotions and mental state at this time.
Okay. And do you believe that if Jay had received could have been prevented or minimized?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Yep, don't worry. Do you believe that if Jay had received prompt medical care, his suffering could have been prevented or minimized?
I believe that it could have been minimized.
Okay.
If he got the attention he needed with the knees below, that wouldn't affect his walking. Now with the mental part, what they should have done was possibly get, a therapist to see like what's going on to determine if this is actually mental health issues or not.
I understand. And is Jay undergoing any medical treatment as of right now? Does he have any medical problems regarding his physical injuries, not mental? And regarding mental, is he taking any medication?
Yes, he has been prescribed 5 morphines, 30 milligrams. He is to take it every day to see how his legs react to it and how his brain, if he gets his, memory back, like more focused, can, do everything that he loved to do without, zoning out and everything like that. So that is what the morphine was for, the pain within his legs and his head.
Okay. And are there any future appointments scheduled already, or will he need any maybe rehabilitation for that bruised leg, not leg, knee?
He will need to be sent back to me so we can run some tests, a brain scan, to make sure his brain is not damaged at all.
I understand. So him falling off the bike going 80 miles per hour and being tased multiple times, falling off of that when he was jumping that wall, being tased and falling on his head, could cause the brain damage, do you believe?
Correct.
Okay. And that's something you cannot cure, can you? That's
No. That is permanently stuck with him. Brain damage is very serious, and from what I saw on the walls, he obviously hit his head, his whole body hit the wall. And like I said, brain damage is not something you can fix. It's something that you can control, but you can't fix it. You're stuck with that for life.
So, as you stated, if any brain damage is done, it's related to the action of the officers. So, the damage done is permanent and is due to the misconduct of the officers. Do you believe that?
Yes, when he got hit on the bike, yes, I do believe that. So if there's anything, wrong within his brain when we do the scan, then I would say yes, it would be surrounded by the accident. Because he also said he's getting nosebleeds a lot, which he never got before, which could also be, connected to the brain.
Yep. Let me think very quick. I'm sorry. The question fell out of my head.
You're good.
I forgot. I'm sorry. No further questions. Thank you. You can stay there.
Oh.
Or,
Oh yeah.
Yep. Yeah, don't worry.
Before we continue, Bailiff, if you'd like to assess the situation that's happening in the
Yes.
stands.
Yes. Keep your shirt on. If you take it off, you're gonna be arrested for contempt.
Thank you,
You
Bailiff.
can continue, Judge.
Thank you. Counselor Mears, if you'd like to cross-examine.
Dr. Woods, can you hear me all right?
Mm-hmm.
Dr. Woods, you didn't actually witness the arrest that night of Jay Smith, correct?
No, I did not.
So you weren't present at that scene at all, right?
No, I was not.
So you did not observe Jay Smith's behavior firsthand during the police chase or his arrest, correct?
Negative. I did not see any of that.
So all your conclusions that you made today about Jay Smith's condition, they're based on the statements that he provided to you in yours, correct?
Yes and no. It's also based off of, seeing what is going on with him as well. So, sure.
In your professional assessment, you claim that Jay Smith's PTSD worsened, quote, 10 times after the incident. How did you actually medically measure that?
Also, I'm gonna quote myself, and I quote, I can't physically measurement his thing. That's what I said. That's what I said during the question. So
Okay.
no, I did not go ahead and say, yes, I did say 10 times worse, but I also said that it's not a physical thing that I can do. So,
Ri- So
yeah.
it could have been 4 times or 5 times or 6
Yes.
times. You basically just picked a number that 10 times, right?
I did not pick the number, he did.
So that was him who said 10 times.
Yes.
But,
During
but
a therapy session.
You had no way to actually measure if that was true. It actually worsened 2 times, 3 times, 4 times.
I already
That's
answered that question.
That's just what he told you, right?
I already answered that question.
So what specific clinical test, if you're whispering, be on 1 of 3, please, because I can hear you back here. What specific clinical tests did you perform to verify his PTSD symptom? And can you go into detail about those tests?
Like I said, no tests were provided due to the limited time that I had for both appointments, both doctor and therapy. Yep, there you go. You're gonna do a little turn around to the
Okay.
to the courtroom. Okay.
No, well, it was bothering me. He's
Mhm.
gone now. Did you conduct any neurological tests to confirm that the flashing lights were what triggers his seizures?
Respectfully, what I just said, I did not have time to do that.
Okay, you don't have to get upset.
No, I'm just saying respectfully, I've said I did not have time to do that.
Did you consult with any psychiatrist before you actually diagnosed him with PTSD?
No, but I did talk to my boss.
Okay. But since it's PTSD is a psychology, right?
Yes.
Okay, so wouldn't it not make sense to consult a psychologist who's actually went to school about PTSD?
Next question.
Did you ever review the full body cam?
No,
of the
because I was
incident?
never sent any of the body cam. Not
Okay.
ever. Not from PD's side and
Yeah.
not from our side.
As a professional, would you not want to ask? You were able to contact Mr. Markov, correct?
Yes, via emails, yes.
Could you not just have asked him, may I see the body cam to see
But
what
here's
took
the thing.
place?
I didn't know if I could do that or not. So that's
Okay.
why I didn't.
You're able to speak to George, right? Here's your boss, right?
Yes, George is my boss.
You could have easily asked George if it would be okay to look at body cams so you can make better assessments, correct?
I don't think you understand that I was within a short span of time.
Do you realize you could have asked
Do
Markov
you
that
do you
needed more
realize?
time?
So, yes, I could have,
Okay.
but I chose not to.
You chose not to. Okay.
Yes.
In your notes, Doc, you included details about Jay Smith's financial struggles and also his stepbrother's cancer and also his inability to watch his very favorite TV show.
Yeah, Channel 4.
But how are these details even relevant to whether the officers acted lawfully that evening or not?
What do you mean by that? Can you repeat the question? Can you hear me?
That's okay. I'll move on.
Okay.
Are you a financial advisor?
No, I am not.
Did you document any medical proof that this incident directly caused his inability to work or care for his children?
Yes and no.
Okay. Jay Smith claims the officers ignored his medical emergency. Do you have any independent proof than just what he told you in his office?
I feel like you've asked this question multiple times. No, I have not. No, I have not seen it.
Are you aware that no officers that were on scene recall him ever requesting medical attention before he finally passed out?
Well, like I said, I wasn't there, so I can't answer that question respectfully.
Are you also aware that medical care was given to him immediately after
No.
he collapsed?
No, because I was not there.
Would you agree that your report is based entirely on just what Jay Smith told you in your office,
No.
rather than verifying medical evidence?
No. I do not.
You would agree that an officer's use of force must be judged based on what they knew at the time, not what the doctor determines weeks later, correct?
Yes and no.
Your report does not claim that any officers intentionally harmed Jay Smith, does it?
In the first bit, yes. In the first bit, like I said, the officer came out of the station. This is what he said. The officer came out of the station, seemed like he was in a bad mood, and came off aggressive. He did not specify the officer.
Would you agree that PTSD does not excuse fleeing from the police, reckless evasion, resisting
Yes.
arrest?
I
or
can agree
carrying
with
an
you on
illegal
that.
firearm?
Yes, I can agree with you on that one. Yes.
The officers reacted to Jay Smith's choices, not his supposed mental state, correct?
Kind of.
Okay. Oh, that's all, Your Honor. No more for questions.
Absolutely. Thank you, Doctor. You can step down.
Appreciate it. I got time for this.
What?
The fuck is it not working? Why the fuck-
Markov, can you hear me okay?
I didn't
Oh,
know
I
that.
couldn't hear you if you spoke, Your Honor. I can hear
Absolutely.
you clearly
Why
now.
is this nigga naked?
Could you step up to the stand for me,
Yes,
please?
Your Honor. Sure.
Sorry, to the bench, sorry. Can you step a little closer for me, please, Marco?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mears, could you also step up?
Wait for them to go down. Yo, come here, come here, come here. Hold on, hold on. Wait.
What kind of rat?
Doctor, could you...
Excuse me, yes.
Make sure to maintain order in the courtroom. There's really loud people. In the
Dr. Woods, could you step back right here, please?
One last question.
Oh, yeah, you can go right
Can
there
you-
next
can
to
you
the
hear me
judge,
okay?
please.
Did you state that you diagnosed him with the PTSD? Can you hear me okay, Doctor?
Shoot, sorry, my voice box was muted. No, I did not.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Bruh. Fucking weirdos.
Counselor Markov, you can proceed with your next witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. The plaintiff calls... I'm sorry. The plaintiff calls, Ricky Farnicki to testify.
Bo, who the fuck is doing that shit?
Ricky Farnicki, could you Thank you.
Go ahead and put your hand on this Bible, please. Mr. Finicky, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
He's
Yes,
on
sir.
Whisper.
You can continue.
Hey, y'all, give me 1 minute. All right. Two
This is
people just
Bailiff.
got sent. No, the
Can you,
court is
I'm
not playing.
sorry, could you
You
let me
get a
out?
full fine.
Oh, sorry.
We is not talking it down.
That's right. I want to see my hoochie mama.
All right. It's 100. It's 100,000 out of pocket. And
Are
you
we
spending
going?
70 in jail. Quiet down.
Can you open the
If you
gate?
need a whisper, lower your voice box to 1 of 3.
Can somebody
I
open the
prefer
gate,
you
please?
walk out.
Yep, of course.
Take a shit. Oh God,
Okay.
where the bathroom at? Yo, I gotta get the fuck out of here before I shit myself. No,
Right? Yep, grab him.
I'm gonna
too.
shit on
Full
myself.
fine. Well, you gonna shit in jail.
I'm gonna shit on myself.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shit on myself. I'm gonna shit in handcuffs.
That's
Just completely dishonest.
100,000
Anyway.
Good.
Oh,
Were you able to get somebody to help you?
yes. I'm with Roger. We're starting the training.
Go ahead and flex your K muscle for me.
Alright.
You're good. I see you now. I was just making sure you're gonna take care of.
Yeah. I
Alright.
think I'm all good now. Thank you, though.
Yep. Let me know.
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Puppy dog.
Radio check.
10-4.
Understand. Could you go more in detail? What did you witness, observe immediately after the crash? Did Jay appear to be injured? Yeah. And do you see that picture right there? Were you present during that scene? Got you. And did you observe or witness the officer tase Jay Smith, who was limping and visibly injured, while he was in mid-air trying to evade their misconduct?
Sit down.
And after Joe was struck off of his bike, did he attempt to continue evading, or did he seek medical attention?
Well, it depends how you describe it, because the police will obviously say that he was evading because he got back on the bike and drove off, but the fact that he returned straight to PD is genuine enough to see that he is either willing to turn himself in or he's trying to seek medical attention. It's one of the two. He wasn't trying to carry on the pursuit, no.
A 5 Alpha 9, show me
Understand.
10-8.
And as Jay was brought to the MRPD, did you see the officers provide him with any medical attention?
No, not once.
Okay. And when he was arrested, did you see any visible injuries on him that would indicate that he needed medical care, like blood? As I've shown you on the picture, I can play it again if you'd like.
Yeah, let's go.
There was blood on the walls. Yep.
In person myself, there was a lot of blood, and he clearly had a limp. He was complaining about his vision, head pains. There was plenty of signs to say that he was in distress and discomfort.
Yep. Oh.
What the?
Okay, let's continue. So, you
Is my
have
Lambo
no
okay? Oh my god. Is my Lamborghini okay? Oh, it is. Thank God. Bro, they're making up such the bullshit excuse, so bullshit excuses. PD side.
What do you say?
PD is making a fool of themselves.
Are they? I didn't even hear.
Cause they're twisting their words and everything.
5
Yeah,
Alpha
what the
9,
fuck?
1097, 911 call,
Dickhead.
code 3 plus 1 additional.
Yes, CB.
Traitor.
How am I a fucking traitor? I never worked for PD.
You know who I'm talking about.
She left. She needed to leave. She wanted to leave.
Yes, sir. I'm just letting you know. If you guys go in there and y'all are causing noise, y'all will be removed, alright?
What you're driving, bro?
But what the fuck?
Yes.
I'm just letting you know if you guys go in there and y'all are causing noise.
So, do you believe that when Jay was down at the cells and the interrogation room, he had a panic attack? Okay. And did Jay pass out in front of you? And how did the officers react to it?
There's multiple things that were running through my head, but like with him being so quiet, I did assume something was off. Plus, I did ask for medical attention myself, which was benign. It would get to that another point. But the reaction from the officers, I mean, it's still no telling yet. For him to realise he was absolutely unconscious, I did decide that I think something's wrong. To even get any recognition.
Yep. And did you call for my name? And it took me to go there and see Jay passed out on the ground to actually go call the officers for help. Dead or unconscious on the ground for maybe half an hour. Okay, and do you believe that Jay's injuries were ignored deliberately by the officers? And if so, how did that make you feel?
Hey, EMS.
Yeah. What's up?
Follow me outside.
Oh, do I need to be searched?
No.
Dead person over here. Follow me.
Alright, let me move them to the side. EMS is gonna be on the way. I mean, I'm EMS, but if they can come here first...
Brody, I called EMS.
Yeah, if they can come here first, that would be fantastic, but if not, then I'll
called
help
them. I
out.
don't know how, like, I mean, I don't know how long ago I called them.
I'll help them up in the next minute if they,
Okay. Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't fucking do it. Some people
Oh my
literally
god.
pulled up in a car. Some people pulled up in a car, started beating his ass. I asked what was going on, and the car drove off.
He must have did something really bad.
I am about to fucking crash out. I'm so
Me
angry
too.
right now.
Me too,
I am
because
the most angry I've ever been, and it's not even ZB's fault this time.
I'm pissed off at Austin Myers. That's who I'm pissed off at.
ZB lives to piss me off.
ZB
It's
lives
like
to
his
piss
life
you off.
goal.
I get you there, ZB. I get you.
He was nice in the coffee shop. He comes. Hi.
I always try to go.
Alright.
Do you remember that one time he handcuffed me for no fucking reason at all?
That's because
George didn't. No, I did not assault George. If anything, George assaults me.
That is true.
He filed a report.
Okay. Well.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you have a report on everybody though. So like.
Not everybody.
Mhm. You said everybody,
Code
almost
4 on
everybody.
911 call.
You're all good.
Did someone just revive me?
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, thank you.
Mhm.
I don't know what that guy doing to me.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened to you, man. I think you tripped on a rock
Such
or
a
something.
weirdo.
No, you got your ass beat by two people in a dark purple. What kind of car was it? Oh my
Wait,
God. It had the cherry
only see
blossoms
one
on it.
people.
Actually,
Yeah.
Weasel's probably here. Let's just go inside.
Well, only
the
one person
hell?
got out of the car. The other person was in the driver's seat.
Damn, that's crazy.
So Lilith, I have a question for you.
Yeah, go ahead.
How come you're never at Bean Machine?
I am always at Bean Machine. I am always.
Nah,
at Bean
wait.
Machine.
That's not the
I
question.
am
Not today. Not
always
today.
ZB, that's not the
at
question.
Bean Machine.
That's not the question you should be
Not today.
asking. You should be like, Lilith, why do I never see you on EMS duty?
Oh,
That-
that's true.
You know what?
Brody!
You know what? That too.
I never
That
seen
too.
Brody?
That
Not
too.
today.
Whenever,
Can you patch
whenever
me
we
up?
need help,
you
you're
patch
never
me up?
available.
But
I am
Yeah.
HR
I have
for
to-
EMS. I don't know what you
5
want from me.
10
I am
You're
HR.
short
Like,
as
maybe-
experience.
I am
don't get it.
HR.
Maybe you know,
Lila,
save
do you have
some
to
I am
lives.
HR.
You know, maybe
Yeah,
save
charge me.
lives.
Okay.
That would be great.
I am HR.
I think I'm gonna George and ask him to fire you from EMS.
Okay, go ahead. Do it. Fucking do it. I'm sure. I'm sure he would do that. I'm sure. Just because you said it.
Damn.
I mean, I never see you out here helping the city.
Oh my fucking
Pain.
god. At this
Pain.
point,
You don't like to sell the city any food. You don't like to save.
she's
people.
gonna beat my ass. I might need some medical attention in a second here.
you might need
Right.
a fucking. You might need a fucking bodyguard for the next fucking 40 minutes. Next
Get it out. Spit it out.
40 minutes.
Spit
for
it
the
out.
Next 48 hours at this point. You're
48
gonna
hours
need
is crazy.
a fucking bodyguard. Okay.
I already had
Ma'am,
those.
Ma'am, are you threatening her?
Yes, he is threatening me. I'd like to make a report. I'd like to make a report.
Alright,
Oh
what's
my
the
god, the
report?
misgendering is crazy.
She said that I should have a bodyguard for the next 48 hours.
No.
Yeah, did I know?
Oh, Roger.
So yes,
You were here?
Roger, somebody was down here. He just ran off on the moped. But since you guys didn't come quick enough, that's not on you. Don't worry about it. I just helped him up.
It is on you. Why
No,
didn't
it
you
is
go
not.
faster?
No, it is not. Shut the
Roger,
hell up, Lila.
Work harder.
Lila, shut the hell up.
I just want to say I appreciate
Give
you
him-
EMS
yeah.
people, not the EMS supposed worker over there in the pink hair.
ZB, I'm gonna fucking beat your ass. I'm the
Oh.
reason they got paid this week. So
Yeah.
Okay,
please-
hold on. Wait.
Right there.
Wait a
Alright,
minute.
ma'am, you're going to jail for threatening an officer.
She threatened me too. She threatened me too. Can you put that in there too?
Alright, ma'am,
Alright,
you have the
well,
right to remain
thank you.
silent.
We're doing some FTO training.
Yeah. That's from
Bro,
from Bean
Roger,
Machine.
this case,
From Bean Machine.
I will have to explain
No
a lot to
problem.
you. It's interesting.
Where the fuck did she go?
She's being talked to ZB over there. He's slowly walking.
Alright, well, we'll continue the training. Have fun, guys.
Yeah. Alright. Let me know if you need anything. I'm on radio for the next, like, 30 minutes.
Of course.
Wait, so what happened with us then? What did you get mad at?
Bitch, he was fucking doubting my fucking professionalism. My job. Bitch, don't
Well,
ever
I
fucking
mean-
do that shit. I'm not standing here and saying that, oh, you're not doing this, this, and this because you're not trained to do it. I'm not doing that shit. And two, he wants to act like he doesn't even fucking know me. When that's false. So that's why I'm pissed at him. And
That's
two,
crazy.
I'm pissed at both sides because I did not get body cam footage of what happened. I shouldn't have to ask for that, especially if it involves medical. They should just automatically, what's it called? Give me
Listen.
access to that. Yes.
Yeah, I guess.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, do you have Kenny's body cam?
Do I have what?
Kenny's. Like, for
Kenny's?
tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah,
Kenny?
we go with the PTSD. The other guy, you know.
There's another court case tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wait,
I
what?
mean, if
Hold
it
on.
happens, yeah.
Hold on, I need
I'm
to
pretty
look
sure
at
you're
my
a
notes.
witness.
Hold on. Hold up. Oh, fantastic. Yeah,
So you are what?
fucking fantastic. Jesus fucking Christ. Where is this thing? Okay, his is gonna be a little easier when it comes to defending medical and mental. It'll be a lot easier. I'm not saying this wasn't easy to do, but it definitely
Report of a dead person
wasn't.
on highways towards prison.
We can send you body cam over there.
3+1 additional.
He's a scene if you want.
Yeah, just can you send me whatever you have so I can see? Because I feel like I've heard 3 different stories today. So, yes, I could ask for more time, but at the same time, we needed to get this going. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And plus, I ain't got all day. I got college classes to do in my head, you know.
I feel you.
And that's just a little more important than, 17th Street. Because that predicts my future. So. But yeah, I don't know. I totally forgot that there was another one tomorrow. Time is that one at? Okay, same time? Okay.
Okay, so I'm sending you the body cam I have.
So,
The ones that we're gonna use tomorrow are more gonna be like flip.
yeah, that's fine. Give me a
So
sec. I'm like,
you just get context from it.
yeah, hold on. I'm like heading. Okay. Alright, give me a sec.
Yep. I mean, they're pretty long, so.
Hey, you look like a nice old EMS person. There's a person sat dead in their vehicle. Are you able to help them?
Shit.
Oh, hey, Brody. Oh, it's Brody. Sorry.
Brody.
Yeah, this guy seems a little bit injured. So.
Fucking hell. Yes, yes, I can. This
I'm
is
gonna
the
go look to
last.
see what's happening.
Okay, yeah, this is the last time because we do have other EMS on, but I will help him.
Here we go.
Yeah,
Okay,
good
thank you. I just wanted to
Yeah.
make sure that it was nice and healthy.
Yep,
You
okay.
take care now.
You as well. Okay.
I don't know if you can see him, but like, there's another guy dead. It wasn't the car room.
You call EMS.
Oh, he's dead. Yep,
To see if they can help him before I do.
yep.
Are you able to help me, EMS, or not?
There's a dead
Brady
guy in front of customer. Better calm down and heal them.
So yes,
That's
I
a
am.
crime.
Yes and no. Like I said, if there's other EMS on, and technically,
four.
I'm technically not on duty, if that makes sense.
Okay.
If they don't come within the next minute, I will pick him up.
The next
He was
minute.
coming.
I'm tech dead. Tech.
Wait, dead.
You're dead?
That's what he said. In the sky. Oh my god.
Oh, sorry. I have that shit turned off. I
No,
think
you
I know
good.
what you mean.
Yeah, just give me a sec. I'll do it.
10-4. Anyway, Brody, how's the EMS been? I saw that I saw that Madison had a change of heart.
Yeah, no, she's actually no longer in PD anymore.
Yeah, I saw that.
She
How
did
come?
leave. People were
Johnny,
making
shut up a
it
sec.
not fun.
No, that's why David Small is no longer on the show. David Small.
Specifically, Drew. He's a
Oh.
good guy. He's a
Oh,
nice guy.
Drew Bennett, the guy that got captured in 2 weeks.
Yes!
Part of LSPD.
Tell me
Dude,
how
shit's
that
so
works.
Fucking annoying.
Tell me how that works, David. It doesn't.
No, that's why. You know why?
That's
whenever
why
you lot-
Madison left too. Another reason.
When you lot got the promotions, did you not see all of High Command and BCSO just walk out when they heard
Yes.
Drake get fucking?
Actually, no,
captured?
because I wasn't there.
No, you were. You got promoted. That day.
Oh my god.
Oh, they
Thank
promoted him to captain right then and there.
Yeah, and then you were next.
Oh my god.
We just walked out.
Thank you.
Yep.
2 weeks in LSPD.
That's
Captain,
fucking
get the fuck
wild.
out of here.
Nah, that's messed
I've seen it on
up.
radio.
Okay, no more helping people.
7 Alpha 10, show me 10.
10-4.
5 Alpha 9, 1097, multiple 911 calls to Grove Street, code 3+1 additional.
7 Alpha 10, show me 109728 John Beer, code 3.
No, actually,
Oh yeah, he's
I've been
cooked.
engaged for a long ass time.
Come here.
I'm waiting for
Come here,
fucking
Woodrow.
Thursday to plan my wedding. At this point, I'm gonna ask Pilo to do it.
Yeah, no, ZB might be cooked a little bit on that because
Fine.
Kenny did not have a firearm on him. He did not have it, not like on him, but he did not have one out. You know what I'm saying? And he shot him.
Well,
That's
didn't you see the
unlawful.
clip where he got in a stolen vehicle? He
Yes,
did get in a stolen vehicle. I searched for it. I searched the plate, the license plate.
but regardless, they can't just shoot him, tase
And
him.
also, he did hit one civilian with a car.
I still, like I said, you know, it's what's it called? A teeter totter, whatever you want to call it. A seesaw, nah. Yeah. You know, it's like on their part they did right, but they also did wrong. On his part, they also did right, and they also did wrong. It's
Yeah, they tried to avoid the scene, but like, didn't do the
7 Alpha 10,
otherwise.
show me 109728
yeah,
Felix,
that's
code 3.
oh my god. So what is he
Yeah.
suing him for?
You want me to read the whole thing to you? It's just like 18 things.
18 thing. Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, okay, wait. Let me just pull up the document.
Code 4 on Grove Street.
Okay, so we have excessive force, unlawful use of deadly weapon, unlawful detainment, unlawful search and seizure, violation of constitutional rights, failure to follow proper protocols for detainment and search, negligent discharge of firearm, wrongful death, failure to de-escalate the situation, or reckless endangerment, unjustified escalation of force, improper training and supervision by the department, violation of the right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures, failure to adhere to standard operating procedures for interaction with civilians, failure to provide a clear and lawful explanation for detainment, unlawful arrest or attempted arrest without probable cause, which he actually had, abuse of power or authority, and involuntary manslaughter. So
Wow.
that's it.
I feel like three or four you know, makes sense within this case. The rest of them, I don't even know half of those fucking things. And I was and my
Yes,
cousin was in PD. So
Some of the things he kind of repeated, but like in other words.
okay, yeah.
So he's kind of cool with that.
Interesting.
I'm pretty sure we can win. Like, the shot that ZB actually took was for public safety.
Yeah, no, that's very interesting.
Madison's a traitor.
Bitch!
Damn.
He I have no weapon on me.
Yeah, that's really.
But yeah, alright. Well
But usually, like, do like you did today, like, not be on one side and not be on the other side either.
what do you mean?
Just like let's say Markov says something that makes him good look, like look good, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, and be like something like in between. He doesn't look good or either bad.
Yeah, there are some things that he said, yeah.
Yeah.
That I will not deny. Jay Smith's behavior didn't help at all.
Oh yeah, that
Oh
was
my
hilarious.
god, he's a fucking child. Also, while we're out here, keep an eye on the guy in the purple hoodie. He's been trying to kill me for the past 2 weeks. So.
Yeah.
Mm.
I mean,
But
yeah, I guess.
yeah. Interesting. I forgot there was another one tomorrow.
I remember.
Oh my god, my back. Oh.
The thing is, I'm still waiting on ZB statement.
Well, you
He's
could have
like on
asked
the way.
him. You could have,
I
because
asked
he
him.
was
I
here.
just did earlier too.
When he was here, did you ask him when you was here?
I sure did.
Mm-mm-mm.
I mean, he clearly said he was a what do you call it? Losing time. I forgot.
Interesting.
Yeah. I mean, I agree with him. Like, I have to do it. Really? Oh, I think they're going in. I think we should probably get into it. Or are you gonna head out?
Man, I don't even fucking know. Have the officers even started speaking?
1022 on Porter.
One of them did, yeah.
5 Alpha 9, 1097 Dexter, code
Just
3
leave my
plus
car.
1 additional.
Seven Alpha 10, show me 1097 28 John Smith, code 3.
You mentioned that the lawyer Markov and other lawyers were frustrated with their own clients, Fanicky and Jay Smith. Why was that?
Yeah, I'm gonna be 100% honest. That was a there were very long conversations in the cells, in the interrogation rooms, and next to the evidence room. It was quite a while. We were discussing the charges on what Fanicky wants to do. The frustration stemmed after during they were fined in jail. I believe it was either Mr. Smith or Mr. Fanicky. Most likely Mr. Fanicky, who was
Just so you know, that's the first one.
Oh my god.
They said the second one.
Jesus.
And then Mr. Markov stated that he needs to just go with the flow, wait until after, so that we can, of course, quote unquote, be on their way, so that we can conclude.
What the fuck up?
Were there any complaints about the lawyers about police misconduct or no?
Code 4 on Dexter.
Did Jay complain about medical distress before he passed out?
No, I checked on him a couple times. Of course, we want to make sure that suspects don't try to escape. 10-100, or of course they're hungry, starving. I carry a lot of tiramisus, on duty for myself, other officers, suspects in the cells, and he never hinted at being hurt, asking for food or anything. One of the times I checked in on him, he was sitting down right behind the desk towards the right side of the last interrogation room, and he didn't say anything at all. So I went back to discussions with the lawyers.
You stated that he received medical attention. Was EMS called? Can you confirm that?
Yes, EMS was called immediately upon noticing that he needed
7 Alpha 10, show me 1097 28 Abdul, code 3.
After medical care, you noted that he flat-backed and
Yes.
shouldn't have remembered the aftermath. Why is that important?
I mean, it's important. I mean, you flat back. I mean, it's happened to almost all of us, if not everyone here. If you flat back, you're in a coma. It's very hard to trust whatever you think happened beforehand because, like I stated, if you're in a coma, you're not going to know what happened.
Based on your knowledge, does Jay
For
Smith
one,
honoring
code
New Life
97.
Rule mean that his memory is unreliable?
Correct. His memory would be unreliable. He was in a coma.
If Smith has no memory of what happened after medical treatment, then how can he claim officers mistreated him?
I'm not exactly
10-22
sure.
on
As
that,
for the people
doing
that
some training here.
do recall what happened and didn't have the same thing as Mr. Smith. I mean, he was not mistreated. We did the proper
8
procedures.
Alpha 1,
Did
1097.
you observe
Code
any
3
unprofessional
plus 1,
behaviors
Pablo.
from the officers that night?
No, I don't tolerate professionals in the department.
Were all actions taken by officers consistent with LSPD policies and their training?
Absolutely.
In your professional opinion, did the officers act appropriately and lawfully during the entire incident?
Yes.
Before I'm done, is there anything else you believe that the court and the judge should know at this time?
Not at this time.
No further questions, Your Honor.
And thank you, Counselor. Markov, if you'd like to step up and cross-examine.
Yes, Your Honor, please. First of all, how are you doing, Captain? Good to
Doing
see
good.
you.
How you doing, Markov?
I'm alright, thank you. So, you were present when Jay was injured, weren't you?
You said when he was injured?
Yeah, you were present when he was injured.
If you're referring to him being flat back in the interrogation room, yes.
Okay. And overall injured when he was limping, bleeding, and bruised his leg. Were you present at that time?
No. Limping, bleeding, and all that because he never mentioned it at all.
He shouldn't have to
so,
mention it.
Do you have any problems with your vision, Captain?
With the what?
With your vision?
No.
Okay. So, Your Honor, if you don't mind, I'm gonna put some pictures on the TV, alright?
Okay.
That's fine. Go right ahead.
Pro 4 on Abdul plus additional that needed
Captain,
missing.
can you tell
Yes.
me what is that red substance on the walls, left or right?
It'll be blood.
Do you happen to know whose blood is it?
Unknown.
Okay, and who else was injured during that time?
I'm not aware about any other injuries. I mean, it would just be. Could have been blood from me. It could have been blood from him during the collision with him on his dirt bike and me being on foot.
8 Alpha 1, 1097.
And you
Jaden,
mentioned,
code
you
3
stated
plus 1
that
additional.
he has collided with vehicles many
Yes.
times. Did
I
he
said he
ever
collided
fall
into my
off of his
vehicle once.
bike? Once, and did he fall?
I didn't see him fall. No. He continued to drive after hitting my vehicle.
I'm sorry, what was your question?
Ay, ay, ay. Hello from down there.
Absolutely. What are your credentials?
This is the chief of police.
I think we know that. Interesting. Bruh. Ain't no way.
1022 Jaden.
Ain't no way.
So are we done?
No.
What happened? What the fuck?
Before I go to radio check.
What is even going on? What's going on?
They have been a bomb thrown on the building.
Okay. That's cute.
We're part of the court case. You should not
Come
be.
here, sir in the black.
There is
suit.
a threat.
Sir in the black suit, come here.
Alright. If you have not been
Wait.
searched, come to me. Please put your hands.
Yeah. I'm the one who's in court, by the way.
Alright, you are free. You're good. Next.
You want to search me?
EMS.
You are good.
You want to search me because I'm black is crazy.
Good, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you a doctor?
I am, but I am not on duty at the moment. Why?
Oh, Brody.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, could you pass me?
I mean, I could, but you do have to pay for it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Wait, where do
It's
I have
Kai.
to?
Have you guys been
It's
searched?
Kai.
No, I haven't.
Okay, over here.
Oh.
Really?
Hello, officer.
Hello, Draco.
How are you?
This is a
No
cute little
problem.
cat figure. I'm good, how are you?
Lila, I love you. Thank you for the
Hey.
snack.
No.
Why is everybody talking at once? Shut the fuck up.
There you go. Yep, you're welcome.
Brody,
Oh, I'll step over here? Okay.
I love you.
I'm having a
If
fucking
you have been
anxiety
searched,
panic attack
please-
myself. Goddamn.
I already been searched.
Away.
You guys have been searched. You guys can step back inside.
There we
Alright,
go.
I'm going inside. I already been
What
searched.
happened?
Bomb
I
threat
think
or
it's a court
something.
case.
Threat?
Yeah, something like that.
I
Don't
think that
know.
There's a current,
You've been
there's
searched
a current
already.
court case going on, so I'm guessing they
There
had
you
a
go.
bomb threat. Thank you, Brody.
Alright.
Oh,
We're
I
not
was just
going-
wondering.
we're
Yeah,
not
we're
going
not
inside.
going in. We were just curious as to what happened.
I just needed a patch up from the EMS.
Yeah.
So what?
There was a judge.
I mean, everybody's got to be searched.
We should do.
Thank you.
I guess.
Alright, you're clear to go in.
Yeah, I was already searched, ZB.
I'm so. I want to
I'm so sorry. I
apologize.
should have given you my number.
Yeah, what's it called? Ezra was asking me where you were.
High School.
Oops.
Oh, really? That's where I went. That's where I.
No
Yeah.
joke. How old are you?
Huh? I just
How
turned
old are
18.
you? Oh, okay.
I graduate this year.
He's the child. He's a child.
Yeah, no,
I am
graduated
so
some
done
time
with this case.
Because Ezra was talking to me, and
Hello,
where are you
hello,
from?
Mr.
And I was like,
Yo.
I'm from Utah, and he was like, oh no way, Raz is from there.
Yeah, that's
It could
crazy.
be
You're
Yeah.
definitely the closest
better,
we've ever
but
been.
Hello. I have
Adam,
Yeah, with the
what?
white
wait.
dreads.
he
Probably
lives in
seen
Utah?
him. Yeah, he does.
I don't know if you
I'm
saw
talking
who's
to
in
your
here.
cousin.
Where's he at?
I just came here
Oh,
2 minutes ago.
you know who?
Oh,
hanging
is
Mhm.
he?
Her.
Mhm. He can't do any shit.
I love your leggings. Oh, thank
Yeah, what I'm saying,
I think
do you
there's another
have
case after
your
this,
your
but
stuff?
Yeah, there is a case
Somebody
going on
come?
right now.
I'm gonna go in
I
there and see.
do.
Well, do
Yeah.
I'll
Gas?
wait for it.
Gas. Yeah, patch
What?
gas up and invoice me for that, please. Lola, how are you? Thank you.
I'm good. How
Thank
are you?
you.
Barely. I heard.
I
Brody.
love you, Lilith, but
Ezra.
please do not give me anything.
Yeah, he got fired.
Holy shit! So it is.
Do you actually love me then?
I do. I love you a lot.
You don't want my gifts? You don't want my gifts?
I'm not surprised.
It's not that I don't want them, it's just I'm not in the
Brody.
mood.
Neither am I. Like I done told him 50
Brody, can you
times
fix
Yeah,
me?
every
hold on
single
one
one of the
second.
issues that we
I'm a little broken.
It's okay. What's gonna happen to cool
But
now?
how about you guys though? You
Fucking
guys.
no. They need to hurry up
Yeah,
and finish
this
it, though,
case
'cause
is
this
starting to
Thank
become
God,
bullshit.
girl.
He
Thank
just lost
God.
everything last night.
PD
You're
did wrong.
better off without, honestly.
Thank you. Yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate it, Brody.
Yeah, PD did wrong. Just fucking admit it and call it a day.
Even when I am around, so.
That's what I
Yeah.
actually told you
For real.
before.
Yeah.
Like, it's not that hard. It's not that deep, bro. And I have another fucking court case.
Yeah,
See,
that's
I-
kind of why
Tomorrow.
Maltese
What's
likes
after this?
separate.
Oh, what's after
Not
this one?
tomorrow.
Then?
I'm not sure.
But it's like, you know what? I've heard it from
I'm not part of
everybody,
it, so.
like, Everybody
Yeah.
ain't lying.
Give two
You're the one
shits.
who has a reason to lie.
Yeah.
He's lying. Shit's fighting.
No, we're not fighting.
Chicks fight all the time. What are you talking about?
Nah, I put a bet down to face.
I don't fight no one.
Mentally, you do.
Nah,
Mentally,
we're
you do.
girls here.
Mentally, I don't fight no one.
Yes, you do.
Back to this.
No, I don't.
You look at my face every day and imagine hitting it. Don't lie.
Brody?
Exactly, no comment. Exactly, no comment.
Oh my god, I'm giving all this food out. I'm about to
sorry.
die. I'm about to pass away.
I have given so much away, just people walking past the door. It's so funny.
Why am I getting more stuff? Stop giving it to me. I don't want it. Stop.
Take it. It's for you guys.
No, Lila,
Oh, did you
stop
get some?
sending me
Thank you.
stuff. Stop giving me
Yes.
I'll give you some more.
If you.
But
my
fucking
boy. Oh, I
inventory.
actually got it.
God fucking damn it.
Yeah.
And your favorite. Oh, no, no,
Okay. And he was charged with harassment, correct?
With harassment?
You see?
Pretty sure we dropped that charge, but I could double check for you.
Yeah, that charge was dropped. And can you tell me why was it dropped?
I'm pretty sure it was discussed with the officer down there at the time. At first it was going to be sexual harassment, but then it was dropped to harassment because that charge was not on the actual MDT. But it was dropped because you explained that harassment is for repeated offenses.
Oh my god. Alrighty guys. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this long video of court. And if you didn't, then I won't do it again. See ya.